back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee. So today we'll be doing some cooking, and we'll be doing some callaloo rice, stewed peas with jerk chicken and fried plantain. So check it out. Let's go into the kitchen, go match up something today. Check it out. So okay guys, so we have the callaloo here, and we're going to use the callaloo for the callaloo rice, and we're going to just cut it and put it in the blender. So you just cut it whichever way, just to get it blend. Just gonna cut the callaloo. And we're gonna put it in the blender. So this one is the magic bowl. If you have a blender, you use the blender. Whichever one you have, you use it. I'm just gonna chop it up. If you don't want to blend it, you can also cut it, whichever way you prefer it. All right. So that's it, and then we're going to put it in the pot. So just put it just like that there, and then you can go ahead and season your pot. I'm going to add the coconut milk. Just put it all in it. Green onions, I'm just gonna cut it up in it. Alright. So we just add a little goya to taste. Pink sea salt just for taste. Alright. And just allow this to simmer a little. So okay guys, so we have the rice now. We're now gonna put the rice in the pot. Guys, it really smells good. The callaloo really smells good, and and it's cooking. All right, so just put the rice in and just give it a stir. Allow it to go and simmer. Yeah. All right guys, so the oil is preheat, so we're gonna go ahead and add our natural vegetable. So this is the onion, sweet pepper, garlic, green onion. Just stir it in. So while that is going on, I went ahead and make up our dumpling, aka spinners. Yeah. So we're going to drop in the spinners then, you know. So when you're making up the dumpling out with all them spinners, you just make a little piece like this, and you roll it. You just drop it in. That's why it is called a spinners. bowl. So okay guys, so we already add the peas to the dumpling or the spinners and the vegetables. So now we're gonna add the coconut milk to it. Let's add the coconut milk. And this is some Italian season I'm gonna add to it. And so this is some black garlic. And this is the Goya. So you just add enough for taste. So if you add it and you feel like it's too fresh, you just add some more to it, okay? Yeah man, that is the stew peas. Yes guys, so this is the end product of the stew peas. Well, rich and nice, very rich. Yeah, so that's the end product of the stew peas. So this is what the callaloo rice looks like. So that's the callaloo rice. And over here we went ahead and do the fried plantains. So that's the fried plantains. Yeah, it's the combination of everything. So the stew peas, callaloo rice, fried plantain, the jerk chicken, some vegetable, and there we have some natural juice. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. Everything really tastes nice. The jerk chicken is good. The stew peas very nice. And the coconut milk just turn up in the stew peas, and the callaloo rice just right. I wish I could share some with you, but tell you what, I'm gonna go and eat and enjoy it. And when we meet up sometime, yeah, I'll tell you about it. Or guess what? Who knows? I might just cook some for you one of the day. Who knows what may happen? Anyways, big up yourself. Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. Remember to share, like, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, big up.